Good morning all. Today is 5th of September, which is celebrated as National Teachers Day in India. National Teachers Day in India has been celebrated since 1962 in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a philosopher as well as a great political leader, who has been second prime president of India, and he believed that teachers should be the best minds in our country. And in his honor and contribution towards educational field, we celebrate National Teachers Day in India on the 5th of September. Thank you. To memorize the Dr. Radhakrishnan, we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. Radhakrishnan influenced the Indians and the Western peoples to understand the Hinduism. He also earned a reputation by building a bridge between the Indians and the Western peoples. He was second president of India. Before serving as the second president of India, he was also vice He was first vice president of independent India between 1952 to the 1962. He was an Indian political leader as well as a philosopher. Thank you.
Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5 September 1888 in Tiruntalnid, Madras district. He was born in Telugu Niyogi Brahmin family. His mother name was Sarvapalli. His father name was Sarvapalli Viraswamy and his mother name was Sitamma. Thank you.
So how is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday celebrate in India? तो हमको तो मालूम है कि 5 सितंबर यानी टीचर्स डे को उनका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है इन ऑनर एंड मेमोरी ऑफ ग्रेट टीचर फिलोसोफर एंड पॉलिटिकल लीडर. मतलब वो टीचर भी थे, फिलोसोफर भी थे और एक पॉलिटिकल लीडर भी थे. So Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was each year his birthday anniversary is celebrated as Teachers Day. On this day, students in India express their gratitude to the teacher and mentors in their lives of making them the people that they are today. In many schools and college, students portray the role of teachers for the day and steps into the honorable and responsible role of teachers for their junior. मतलब सीनियर जो है अपने जूनियर को पढ़ाते हैं इस दिन. This gives them a chance to express that it means and feels like to play the important role of teachers in other lives. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is also remembered on this day for his great contribution. Thank you.
Dr. Sarvapalli डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के बारे में आज मैं आपको कुछ बताने वाला हूँ। एक छात्र के रूप में अपने शैक्षणिक जीवन के दौरान डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के कोई छात्रवृत्तियों से सम्मानित किया गया था। उन्होंने 1906 में दर्शन शास्त्र में मास्टर डिग्री पूरी की और पेशे से प्रोफेसर बन गए। 1933 से 1937 के बीच में उन्हें साहित्य के प्रतिष्ठित नोबेल पुरस्कार के लिए 5 बार नामांकित किया गया था। थैंक यू।
Happy
Happy
Teachers
Teachers
Day.
Day.